मोपा विमानतळाचेर जितलोय रोजगार आसतलो तो गोंयकारांक खातीर आसतलो. मोपा विमानतळ येतकर 30 मिलियन तरी पर्यटकांक हाताळपाची क्षमता विमानतळार आसतली, अशें गोवा स्टार्टअप पोलिसाच्या उक्तावणा वेळार केंद्रीय मंत्री सुरेश प्रभू उलयल्यात. ह्या वेळार महसूल मंत्री खंवटे हजर आशिल्ले. आरटीएक्स गोवा खातीर परवरच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी गौतम शिरोडकार.
We must find out people from around the world who will look at this crazy idea. And therefore, there are crazy people, there are lazy people. So those who are crazy might succeed, the lazy will never succeed, probably. But lazy might even succeed in tourism because they are the ones, the lazy. If there are no lazy people, why tourism will succeed? So I think there are enough percentage of everybody. But I think we must make sure, what I mean by lazy is that those who want to laze around are the tourists. That's why I'm saying that. Otherwise people say, why you are calling tourism industry? I'm not saying that. So I am definitely confident that Goa will be the next destination for making it as a hub of global ideas that will be born here, will be cultivated here, and then they will be finally be accelerated here. As I was saying, the startup is something different than the normal rules of game. If you are coming inside the building, I was watching it, there's a very interesting picture, a picture or some symbol. On the building, there's a guy who is trying to climb on the building. Now you just imagine, somebody would say, why is he doing that? There's a staircase, if he just goes in there, he can go to the staircase. But that's the guy who thinks, no, I'm not going to go by the staircase. So he's trying to just jump into it by using it. They are the startup community. So it's the right place for this place. Because they are the ones who are not going the normal way. They are not going to go in the conventional path. But something different, and that's what is going to make them successful. I don't know whether that person will be successful in climbing finally or not. But ultimately, the success will come when you don't follow the same traded path. If you go to the business school, I think sometimes it is always a challenge, that when you go to the business school, and if you are regimented into an idea, I think there is a very less chance of somebody success.
The startup community needs a lot of backup. And his ideas and vision has allowed us to get a booster as we take our thoughts ahead. I'm sure he's going to talk a lot about this. And this is going to be an ecosystem flow of the startups, which is going to be not only policy driven and incentive driven, but a years full of lot of events coming up, lot of events which will give a lot of exposure to our fraternity, which has been long waiting for. We are talking about ambitious plans of having the NESCOM office opening in Goa, a very ambitious plan of creating the startup capital of this country, Goa being the startup capital of the country. This is some plans which we have been discussing, and that is his vision that he would like to take forward by creating this.